Mike,
Yeah.
thank you so much for having us here.
Oh no, it's been great. Great pleasure having you here.
Incredible. This whole event is incredible. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for 6 months. This show has been doing it for 29 years now. I joined this summer. It's been an incredible trip for me too.
Muskie,
Absolutely.
I'm starting to realize very quickly as I'm on this journey to become a fishing angler that it seems to me this is almost, or I would have to say, the pinnacle to catch a muskie fish.
Absolutely. The muskie is the freshwater apex predator in the United States.
One of my favorite booths is here with Jeff with Temple Bay Lodge. These guys were, the way you explain the trip, where you guys are, what you provide, I think it's great. So tell me a little bit about your business.
So we are 120 miles north of International Falls. You can drive to us, fly to us. We run charter trips out of 3 states up to us, make it an all-inclusive gig for everybody.
When you first started with the show, what can you explain to the audience? You know, what's it about? What do you do? Do you go all over the place, or?
Well, here's what's happening at this point. This thing is really building momentum. I had no idea that people could get excited about this, but we now have some sponsors getting involved. So we're going to stay in the Midwest. We are going to air in fall of 2018 here. So this says here, what's it say, Sparkling?
30-inch muskie.
Woo!
It's amazing.
How about that?
How old are you? When did you catch this?
I don't know.
This year?
2017. Fish X, our sponsor, who invited us out. Thank you so much, Mike, and your staff. Incredible event that these guys run.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here's what I really enjoy about today. It's very family. Bobbin with babes, and the idea is for me to go on this journey and learn how to become an angler, fishing angler. What do you think about that?
That's a great premise. So you've never fished ever?
Well, I did on episode 1 and episode 2. That's
prior
it.
to
That's it.
Okay.
I have never fished, and I don't eat fish. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Tony Bobbin. We are at the 2018 Muskie Expo show in St. Charles, Illinois, the Mega Center Pheasant Run, and we are off to an amazing start. We're kind of wrapping up this day. There are thousands of people that have came through today. If you haven't been to a muskie show, you've got to. Mostly if you're just learning how to fish or you are a fisherman, come on out. It is an incredible time.